Hi everybody, it's Diana with stampingwithdye.com, and I want to welcome you to this week's Dies Shorts, and it's going to be a quick one today. I don't know if you follow my blog, and I think I posted in the group as well, but if you are watching the YouTube replay, you might not have seen it. And I am close to my 900,000 lifetime sales as a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So I'm having a special to help me get there, and so that you also have a chance of getting stuff too. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically go over what it is, because I had some people emailing me and I don't want it to be confusing. So so that's what I'm going to do. First off, I'm going to make sure that I can see that I'm in the right spot in the group. Okay. Oh, there's my sister. Okay, speaking of my sister, now my sister lives in Canada. So this is only available to United States because I can only send within the United States. So so that's just, you know, a rule, okay? All right, so let me flip the camera. All right, so I got my handy dandy little mini sitting right here. Okay, so what's going on is, hi Ruth, Dana, Jackie. Okay, so to help me get to my 900,000 in sales, what I'm going to be doing is, and let me get that little baby out of here. All right, so what I'm going to be doing is, for every $1,000 I have in sales, then I will pick a name and somebody's going to win the mini. So not this one, you'll get a new one, but you'll get the mini Stamp and Cut and Emboss machine, plus an extra pack of the 2 clear plates, because the machine comes with, so here's your little machine. It does come with, these are the plates that it comes with, so that you're good to go. Like as soon as you get it, you're good to go. But I want to also give you like an extra set of plates, because, you know, eventually you're going to need them. And, you know, when you start cutting and stuff, we all hate that initial cut on the plate, right? But anyway, so that's what I've got going on. Now, so there's different ways that you are doing this. So I always have, so let me go over this, because someone asked me about this too. All right, so I always have this going on. So for every $50 before tax and shipping that you order in my store, and that goes for my Stamp Club girls too, as long as they spend the $50 before tax and shipping, you earn an egg. So we have chickens and ducks, so we're out in the boonies, so I always had it be eggs, so I just call them eggs. So once you get a dozen eggs, then, so you're going to keep track. So you put the date, your order number, you know, how much the order was before tax and shipping, and then how many eggs that you earn. Now sometimes I have double eggs going on, and then, you know, you would earn more. So not this time, because we have other stuff going on, but so anyway, so this form you can get on my blog, so stampingwithdye.com, and that this is the host code for March. And, you know, if I have a very spectacular month, you know, maybe I'll get this in the month. If not, and this goes into April, then there'll be a new code. So, but for now, it's the March one. All right. So I always have this. So you have when you order 50 before tax and shipping, you always get a reward point. You keep track. Your eggs expire within a year, so you want to keep track of them. Nothing's worse than a rotten egg. So a year is plenty of time to keep those eggs around. All right. Then I always have if you spend $75 before tax and shipping, you know, you get your reward point. But then I always have an incentive. So this month are the Flowers for Every Season gems. So there you go. Boop, boop. Then we have, you know, my countdown to 900K. Alrighty? So that's where this comes in handy. But it needs to be no purchase required kind of thing, right? So what you're going to do is, and let me turn the camera. All right, let me turn the camera to my blog post. So you should be able to see, hopefully. Oh, maybe you can't. Hang on a minute. Can you see? Hang on a minute. Oh, good grief. Hang on a minute. Let me take it off of here. I didn't even think about the phone. The thing doesn't bend that way. Okay, so here is my blog. So see, I have it up on today's post. So you are going to scroll down and see this post here. So see this post here. This is where you are going to put your comment, okay? So let me put this back on my stand. So that's where you're going to put your comment in order to get your name in the hat. Now, I don't really have a hat, so they're going to go in a bucket. But anyways, so that's why I wanted to come on here, because I want to make sure that you understand the whole thing. All right, so if you comment on that blog post I just showed you, you can comment once, okay? Because it's, you know, only one time. Then your name is going to go into the bucket. And then once I have, so here. So, and when you order in my store, your name goes in the bucket. But if you order $100 before tax and shipping, your name will go in the bucket twice, okay? So when you're ordering 50, you know, you earn this, 75, you earn this. But as soon as you place that one order, you know, your name goes in the bucket. But if you order 100 before tax and shipping, your name goes in twice. So hopefully that makes sense. All right. So as I go, so see, I have 400 so far in sales. And once I get up to 1,000, then I will pull somebody's name out of the bucket and they'll win the mini cut emboss machine. Then we go, you know, to the second one. So anyways, so that's what I wanted to explain. And if you have any questions, you know, make sure that you let me know. And so again, it's important to comment on that blog post. And when you do, you need to put your name and you want to tell me where you live. Because like I said, I can't send out of America. It has to be in the United States. So when you make your comment, that's one of the things, you know, to make your comment qualify to put your name in the hat, you need to put your name and you need to put, the state that you live in, okay? So if you have any questions, just shoot me an email, shoot me a comment. But who would have thought, you know, when I signed up, 22 years ago, that I'd be selling this much rubber stamps. But it's true. So anyways, so really that was what I wanted to go over. And then what I'll do is, like, when I get up to that, you know, when I get up to where I'm picking a name, then I'll do that live. Like I'll do it live and pick the name. So yeah, so if you need anything, and one thing you want to make sure you grab is the in-color stuff. So I was going to mention that, and I forgot. So the 2019, 2021 in colors are retiring. So you want to make sure that you get those. So like your cardstocks and your blends, your refills, your ink pads, because those go fast. And every year, like someone will contact me after or even like before they're all the way, the end of the catalog, and they'll be looking for, a refill to refill their ink color pad, and they run out fast, right? Because, they only have so many. They're not going to order another truckload, for like two refills. So make sure you grab those. So that would get you an order. All right. Okay. So I think that's all I wanted to talk about, but you'll love having the little baby one. And I didn't even show how cute it is. Look at this. I forgot to even show you how cute it is. All right. Let me get this out of the way. But see how it has these little fold out. So, and half the time, like when I'm doing my, with my webcam, you can see her sitting in the back. She's behind me on the table behind me, and I can just use her, when I make a boo-boo. I've used her a few times on my lives when I mess up. And you can leave her open or closed, but I just leave her closed. But, and she's super cute. So if you like to, work on stuff in another part of the house or something, or I hate to say go to somebody's house because we're not quite doing that right now, but when we go back to traveling and going to someone's house to scrapbook or something, she's quick just to take with you. Now keep in mind, she just uses the mini folders. So let me show you that too in the catalog. All right, so when you're looking in the catalog, so I see here's like the mini stuff, but when you're looking at the dies and the folders, and there's quite a few of them, you will see this. So see that? I should have showed you that before. It says mini, so then that goes in the mini machine. So somebody got one the other day, and then I walked her through using it on the phone, and now I can't remember. Oh, I think I put it with the folder. But we did the one little folder. It was the greenery one. The greenery is such a fun folder, and it just zipped right through. So anyways, but okay, so that's all my blabbing for the day, and then have a good weekend, and I'll see you Monday for my mimeograph Monday. So I'm gonna start doing those live. So that will be 11 o'clock Arizona time on my YouTube channel. Okay. So if you're watching my YouTube, you're in the right place. If you're on Facebook, make sure you head over to my YouTube, subscribe to that, and then it'll let you know when I'm. Thank you for sharing it, Betty. And then it'll let you know when I go live and stuff. All right? Okay. Have a good weekend, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye.